Alright, hey everybody. In this video we're going to be taking a look at this photo box for studio photography. If you happen to be a hobbyist or a food blogger or professional photographer, here is a studio box that we recently purchased, and so just wanted to show you around it. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested, and obviously here you can see a tri-folding door. You can close or open one of them is to kind of maximize your angle without having outside reflections and glare coming in. Here is just a simple item. The entire door folds up as shown, so you can access everything and put your camera down through the top there if you need a bird's eye view. As you can see, it has some great color and contrast, really highlights shapes and colors really well. And it has this removable white backdrop. Here it is taken out. Now there are no color backdrops for this particular photo box, so that's possibly a downside. And to reinstall it, it's pretty simple, as shown here. And here are the LED lights at the top. Now these are not dimmable. There's no on or off switch either. You have to plug it in directly or unplug it to the wall in order to turn on or off the lights. So there's a potential downside. But the light overall is really comprehensive and bright enough to really pull out those features that you're looking for. And we'll kind of reassemble things here. Little Velcro to close and open the door, and from the top view you can obviously put like a cell phone or your camera itself, so it's got a nice bird's eye view of the item. And here's the power cord. Like I said, it plugs directly into the wall to turn on or off the LED lights. And everything is portable, so it's got a little zipper for the power cord. And it zips up nicely here. And of course, one of the most attractive features of this photo box is that it is fully collapsible. So here's how you can do that. And voila! It latches with a little bit of Velcro on the side, as shown. And there it is, ready to travel with you anywhere you go. So we really enjoy this, take some great pictures, and hope this video has been helpful.